CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 9th of June 2025. David Ramos says that first a church was vandalized in Chile, then religious books were desecrated, then believers were accused of selling drugs. Now when a petition was filed against the attackers, the authorities are not taking any action. Jerome Medina said that there are many patients in Congo whose treatment is stopped because of their Christian faith. But doctors are not taught this religious hatred. They are learning all this from their society. Jerome is treating many Christians for free. Van is a Christian citizen of Vietnam. She was traveling and when she was praying on the train, other women found out that she was a Christian. The women started beating Van. Then people saved her, but she says that people's hatred for Christians is increasing. Shania was attacked and kidnapped by Islamic extremists in the area where she lives in Somalia, but she managed to escape. She said that where she was kept, they beat small children and make them work, and Christians are often killed. God saved her. Andrew Mellison says that Christians are victims of many attacks. The Boko Haram is looking for Christians to kill them. In many cases people have been beaten. Many people are practicing Christianity in secret. Antonio Grasofo said that he sees Christians suffering in Tajikistan. Christians cannot take their children to worship, and when they do, they have to pay a heavy fine. Some people have even been put in prison. In Ethiopia, Daniel Sagar says that spreading Christianity is a deadly act. Daniel was going to worship carrying a Bible when he was stopped and questioned. He said that it is the word of God, and no one can stop him. He will continue to spread it. Rama said that she is very worried about the economic situation of Christians in Mali. Islamic extremists have imposed a tax on them. Now they will have to pay a large amount to stay in the country. All this is being done to force them to convert to Islam. Yaku Dokar said that she is a Christian and she lives in Ghana. She said that many Christian girls are taken away with the promise of marriage and are sexually abused and then left helpless. Joseph Nkapa said that the attacks by the Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria are not stopping, with more than 50 Christians being killed in a week, many kidnapped, and children being beaten. The goal is to make Christians flee the area, but the authorities are silent. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.